Hair Again Hair Clinic, leaders in hair replacement. The definition of current science and techniques. Beginning with PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy. Nurse Christina explains our PRP.
Platelets contain growth factors that promote regeneration of the cells in the body that signals the hair follicle to produce thicker, stronger hair. It's very similar to having a routine blood test performed at your doctor's clinic. The blood is collected by a nurse and then placed in a machine called a centrifuge, where your blood is spun for approximately 7 minutes. The concentrated platelets have been separated from your normal whole blood. The PRP that contains abundant growth factors are now ready to be applied to the scalp. Highly concentrated growth factors in the form of platelets have been shown to generate new hair growth, thicken thinned out hair, and make hair transplants grow thicker and healthier.
And now stem cells are used to accelerate the PRP process.
The reason why we're mixing the exosomes with the PRP is because exosomes are derived from stem cell, and it's coming from placental stem cell. They're what we call microvesicles. And these microvesicles contain messenger RNA and microRNA. So in his case, I'm looking for hair growth.
Exosomes can supercharge hair replacement therapy to the next level, and Hair Again is current with the research and technology. See all options available at FresnoHair.com. Fill out our online survey to start the replacement process. See our success stories, learn more about PRP, exosomes, the Theradome treatment, and our incredible non-surgical options. We have decades of experience and are constantly updating our hair replacement science. Visit the experts at Hair Again and change the course of your hair loss now.